Hi, welcome to Market Alert for Tuesday, the 14th of January 2020. So the dollar bonds, Bitcoin snooze as tech stocks soar to record highs. However, as the headline states there, the markets are fragile. They certainly are, but they'll do their best to keep pumping these to the upside. So yesterday we see the market moving to the upside, and prices, if we get the 76% retracement and click twice above the high of this bar, you'll see prices have traded up to this on the overnight there and looking weak. So let's have a look, see what's going on, see what happened during yesterday's trading session as far as the Dow is concerned. We had the obligatory pattern, as we can see here. Market coming down to the 200 MA and the DP level, managing to bounce off 76% retracement, as you'll see here, straight across to it, and then prices shaking out in the start of the session. Market up back to 76%. Amazing how well this works. And then you'll see also from here to here, 76%. The market then moves up to the DP level. We have some news around here. I've no idea what it is, but you can see from the volume that whatever it was quickly absorbed back into the market with the buying here, and the market then moving to the 28,900 level, but failing to hold above the 200 MA, the 20 bar moving average, the DP level, the 50 bar, and trading back. But if you mark up from here to here, you'll see also the market trading back to 76%, where the market is tested, and then prices are moving higher once more, and then coming back before they have their final push to the upside there. You'll see 76% there, and then off we go before the close, or just after the close, the market moves higher. You can see there, because the change in the DP levels is midnight. So the market starts off moving to the upside, and then starts to wend its way back, and has moved back down to the DP and the 200 MA, which we can see there, which is good news for the Dow, because it's free to move back to the upside following this in the early hours. CPI news is the only news today. Lagarde's out tomorrow, our favourite central bank criminal. She will be speaking tomorrow. And the implied volatility moving down slightly, 1092 for yesterday, just sitting on the moving average line there. And you can see still amber, but just barely, and then prices remaining above the 200 MA, which we can see, hit the right buttons. We can see they're staying above the moving average. The market is due for a correction, but whether they allow it or not is another thing, isn't it? We've seen this a lot recently, where the market has had corrections, but they're soon brought back, and there was an attempted one here as well, and this was brought back too. So whatever they can do to bring the markets back, they're going to. A lot of volume here as well in this last correction, as prices were brought back there. Meanwhile, in Bitcoin, it was really quiet yesterday. The market barely managing $70, and then overnight we've seen prices move just under $500 to the upside in an explosive move, coming off the DP level, the 200 MA there in the 15-minute. In the 4 hour, you can see the market there really tight before very, very quiet, sitting at the 20 bar moving average, an explosive move to the upside. And then we've got prices coming back up to the Iranian highs that we saw a few weeks when the US went in and bombed Iran. And a bit of selling pressure there coming into the market at the moment as well. So a high for this market, which hasn't been seen for some time, and heading back towards the 200 MA in the daily chart as well. What will be good is to see the volatility levels that we've had overnight, to see this during the rest of the session as well. so that we could actually participate in this, because at the moment it's as deathly quiet as it could be in the main session. So the Asian market moving this market at the moment. So that's it, a quick roundup of what's happening. Keep an eye on the Dow in the pre-market session. Expect the usual from this, unless something else comes out of the blue, but otherwise same as. Okay, that's it. As ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.